guys, what's up? This is Panshul and welcome into the 7th video of the tutorial series where I teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. This video requires you to be confident with the yellow cross. So if you don't know how to solve it or are not confident with it, then please go check out my previous video. I'll link it somewhere here. So let's begin. So guys, the second last step in solving the Rubik's Cube is creating the yellow face. This has 7 different cases and so obviously it has 7 different algorithms, but I have condensed it down to only one algorithm. So guys, the first case is this one. This is known as the fish or the soon case, where you have the cross, yellow cross and one corner oriented. So this is like the head of the fish and you keep this towards the left hand side, and then you notice that the corner piece which is on the right hand side has the yellow color facing towards us. So this is the easiest case because it only requires one repetition of the algorithm. So the algorithm goes like this: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So guys, this is the second case. Now you might be thinking that this is the fish case again. But there's one difference in this case. You will require 2 repetitions of the algorithm to solve this one, because when we keep the head of the fish towards our left hand side, we notice that the yellow sticker on the corner piece has gone towards the right side. So to do this, you hold it like this in the same position like the previous case, and then do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you do U2 to hold the head towards the left side and you get the fish case. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So guys, the next case is this one where you have the yellow cross solved and 2 opposite corners are oriented. So what you do is you hold it like this so that one of the unoriented corner, the yellow sticker on it or the yellow color on it is facing you and the other one is facing the left side. And from here you do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. This brings you to this case, and in this case you have this. These are known as the headlights, and the rest of the cube is the rest of the yellow face is solved. So to solve this, you hold the headlight towards you and then do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and this brings you to the fish case, but the yellow color is facing towards the right. So you do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime to solve this, and then the fish case. Guys, the next case is this one where you have 2 sets of headlights. So you will hold the headlights towards you. It can be any one of the 2, and then do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and it brings you to this case. You already know how to solve it. Guys, the next case is this one. So in this case, you have everything solved except these 2 corners. The yellow cross and 2 corners are solved correctly, but these 2 corners are not. So what you do in this case, holding the cube from any position, you bring it to this position where one of the corners, the yellow sticker on the corners is facing you, but it should be on the left side. If you bring the right, the yellow sticker is facing on the right side, then this case won't get solved. So from here you do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and then the soon case with the yellow sticker on the right side. So guys, the last case is that you have one set of headlights and 2 corners which are facing like this. So you hold the cube like this so that one of the corner is towards the right, and then you do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and then the soon case. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notifications bell. Also share my video with your friends and family, and don't forget to practice the yellow face 10 to 20 times or until you get confident with it. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.